Hello everyone. In this video, I am covering two main functions of string in Python, which are split function and join function. As we know, Python program to split a string based on delimiter and to join a string by using another delimiter. So by splitting on and joining, we can use split function, and to join a string according to the sequence we can use the join function. Right now, first I'm explaining the working of split function. Split function you can use by without passing any parameter, by passing separator one as in parameter, or by passing two parameters which are separator and max split. Right now, let's come to the example. Suppose I'm taking one input string from user, right? So to implementing this, I'm using a spider IDE. So I'm taking a string, so s is equals to input function to take a string from user. So I'm passing a message, enter the string. right right now it is taking a string, so I'm entering one string: hi, hello, how are you. This is the string, right? If I'm printing s, so what will be the output? Hi, hello, how are you. Now you can see, when I enter the string, first I press space, so that space is visible over here, right? Okay. Now if let's suppose I'm executing a same function and I'm entering without any space, so hello, hi, hello world, right? So, and if I'm printing a string, so there is no space in this string, and the string is hi, hello world. And this hi, hello world is one string which contains three words, and each word is separated by space. Right now, what we want to store every word. We want to split this string according to the space. Means instead of this one string, we want three string. The first string is hi, the second string is hello, and the third string is world. So how we can split this single string into multiple string? By using split function. So here I am using the first split function without passing any parameter. So if you are not passing any parameter, so by default it will split the string according to the space value. Now here space are 2. So that split function will split this whole string in three parts, because there are two splits will happen. To two split will happen means it will break, we will get three words, right? Let's use this split function. So I am using another variable which is sl is equals to, now the string is stored in s variable, so s dot split function we can use by using dot operator. Now split braces without passing any parameter. So what we are doing here, first we are taking one string, that string is stored in s. Now we are going to split the s string by using split function without passing any parameter, and whatever the output of this function we are storing in the sl, right? So if I am printing sl, so what we will get? We will get three words: hi, hello, bird. Means what we are doing? We are converting one string which was hi, hello, world into three strings. Hi is different string, hello is different string, and world is different string. Right? Now let's suppose by default split function without any parameter will split the string according to the space, right? Now let's suppose if you want to give any separator, right? So I am entering the new string s, and the string is hi dot hello dot world. So if I am printing s, what we will get? Hi dot hello dot world. If you are having this kind of string and you want to split the string, so you must decide the separator first. Now let's suppose I am using a second function of split by passing separator, and here I am deciding to use the separator as dot. Means I want to break this given string according to the dot, and there are two dot present in this one string. So this will split two times. The first split will happen in the first dot, and second split will happen when we are having a second dot, right? So if I am printing SL, so what we will get? Hi hello world. Means we have separated the multiple string from one string based on the dot, because we have given the separator as dot. Similarly, if you want to give the maximum number of split, if you want to split only one time or two time or any number of time, right? So you can give the another parameter which is the max split, and let's suppose max split is 1. Means this the given string will split only one time, means you will get only two words. And if you are giving a max split, that will split from left to right, right? So if I am printing SL, so what we are getting? Two string. The first is hi, right? And second string is hello dot world, right? And if I am giving max split as 2 and then printing, then it will print two times of split, we will get the three words. And if we are printing the 3, which are not possible because separators are is dot, and dot are present two times in the string, and we want to max split as 3, right? So let's see what will happen. It will print the maximum number possibilities, and maximum number of possibilities of split is 2 times only. So it doesn't matter what number you are giving. If you are giving a small number, so it will split from left to right. If you are giving a number which are maximum than possibility of split, then it will split the maximum number of possibilities, right? So here, this is all about the split function. In my next video, I'll explain the working of join function. Thank you.